What's up everybody? Today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to convert fractions to percents or vice versa, and so on to conclude all the lessons from fraction, decimal and percent. So let's get right to it. Alright, yeah, it's a percents. Yeah, you can see the symbol there, and also all fraction that has denominator of 100 we can change it into percent. So let's say 2 over 100. This example, it's very easy. So you can see that there's a 100, so we can simply make it into 2%. Right? Now next example, 10 over 100. There is 100 there, and again we can make it into 10%. Let's make the number, the fraction, with this number 75 over 100. Yes, correct. The answer will be 75%. So by knowing this, we can say that percent actually is a per 100. So focus on the denominators of 100. Okay, and also we can do it in a reverse way or a vice versa, like 5%, because we know percent is per 100. We can make 5 over 100. 25%, again we know percent is per 100, so it is 25 over 100. So that's percents show that it is per 100. And this brings us to the end of all lessons we have from the beginning: fraction, decimal and percent. So I'll make it this example, for example 50%. So we can make that 50% into fraction, and it is 50 over 100. And at the same time we have learned about decimal, so we can make that 50 over 100 into 0.5. And that's all that we have learned: percent, fraction and decimal. I hope you can understand this one, and if you like, you can hit the like button and share to your friends if you want to tell this great lesson. Okay, bye bye guys, see you in the next video.